Jarrett, we all know that you're the sentimental one in this relationship, but you'll be glad to know that I did in fact write these myself, and I didn't outsource it to ChatGPT, so you're welcome. I promise to be a supportive partner as we face future joys and challenges, to love you unconditionally, even when you're hangry, or you've been talking a little bit too long about the latest in bowling ball mechanics. I promise to continue to be a loving co-parent, to listen to and respect your opinions, to end every day with calm, sweet Kira energy, and start every morning with as much Be-Do level enthusiasm as I can muster. Thank you for standing up here with me today in front of all of our friends and family, and for choosing me to go through life with. Love you long time, Star.
Tortilla chips, Tesla, kettlebell, dogs, an RV trip, ceramics, first class, bowling. These are just words to everyone else here, but to us, they represent the most cherished parts of our relationship. Today, we continue our journey together, turning random words into stories, not just as friends, but as a husband and wife. All I need to know is one thing. Same team?
Family and friends, by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church and by the state of California, I now pronounce Jarrett and Laura to be husband and wife. Jarrett, you may kiss the bride.
To you continuing to get each other, to always having at least one four-footed friend in your life, and to many, many happy years together as a family. We love you. Cheers. Wow.